What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are in the world? Welcome back. Happy Thursday. Thankful Thursday, that is. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, if you haven't checked out my crypto projects, the link is in the description. Go check them out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out, see what I got going on. All right, well, real quick, we're here just to do a quick update on Thankful Thursday for BrunoEx. Today is the day that you would request your withdrawal for BrunoEx, and they will process it on Friday. All right, so BrunoEx, they offer a crypto exchange platform, swift and endless crypto exchanges, over 600,000 exchange pairs to choose from. This is just one of the services that they offer. Non-custodial exchange. You can buy and sell crypto through a credit or debit card. All right, so that's pretty cool. They've been around since October 2022. 30,000 successful swaps, 2,500 active users in the platform, 600,000 exchange pairs, fast cryptocurrency exchange, 99.5% success rate, 5-minute average exchange time, no additional fees, track your transaction status live. Guess what? You don't even need to KYC. You don't even need an account. All you gotta do is go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Go ahead and process your exchange. Step 1 is to choose your exchange pair. Pick one of the 600,000 supported currency pairs from the list. Step 2, make your deposit. Confirm your details and send selected crypto assets to the displayed address. Step 3, obtain your swap crypto. Get exchange crypto with the best available rates. All right, that's how that would work. They even have an exchange tutorial, a little video right here that they show you exactly how to process your exchange, how to swift and endless crypto exchange, how to process it, okay? And they have some testimonials on Trustpilot as well. All right, guys, so that's just one of the services that they offer. Best way to buy crypto with fiat. BrunoEx lets you purchase crypto with more than 50 fiat currencies using your Visa or MasterCard. All right, now there's certain geographical locations that may apply. It may not be everywhere, so you have to go to that link, www.coffeeandcoins.info, see if they are in your area. All right, guys, now that is great. They offer that service. Now, why I got started, and I have used their services a couple times. Now, why I got started is I was interested in their investment plans. So let's take a look here. You can earn up to 151% APY by investing as low as 10 USD. Crypto in, crypto out. And now their withdrawals are only in USDT BEP20. Okay, stable profits regardless of volatility in the market. No KYC is required to invest. Internal peer-to-peer transfers. Okay, if you have someone that signed up with your link and you'd like to transfer some crypto into their back office so that they can get into these plans, you can do that. That's what the internal P2P means. Okay, so you can choose your preferred investment plan and start earning now. You can opt to invest quarterly, half a year, yearly, and earn passive rewards on your cryptocurrency, guys. All right, so real quick, they've got some monthly plans. The standard plan for 3 months is 1.25 monthly. For 3 months, the minimum deposit is 10. The max is 1,000, and it's for only 3 months. They're going to pay out monthly. You're going to get your capital back at the end of the term, 103.75%. Then they have the premium plan. It's a 6-month plan. The return is 2.5% monthly. The minimum is 50. The max is 10K. 6 months monthly. You get your capital back at the end of the term, 115% return. The ultimate monthly plan is for a year. They're gonna the return is 5% monthly profit. The minimum is 100. The max is 100K. It's a 1-year duration, monthly payout. Get your return back at the end of the term, 160%. All right, then they have what they call the daily plans, where you can withdraw every week. This is the plan I'm in. The daily plan, 1.25 per day, 90 days, minimum 10, max is 1K, 90 days, daily pay, capital return at the end of the term, 112.5%. Then they have the 180-day plan, 0.75% daily, minimum 500. Max 10K, 180 days, daily pay, and you get your capital back at the end of the term, 135% return. They also have the 365-day plan at 0.55% per day, 1,000 minimum, max 100K, 365-day term, daily return, daily pay, capital return at the end of the term, 202% return. They recently added what they call the Prestige plan. It's exclusive. It's a 6-month plan, 0.42% daily profit. The minimum is $2,500 fixed deposit. It's a fixed rate there. Max is 10K. Duration is 6 months. Daily term, end of the term, you get your capital back, 175.6%. This is exclusive, so you would have to contact them. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, get registered, right? Set up your account, set up your profile, then reach out to support to get whitelisted to be added to the Prestige plan with a $2,500 minimum deposit. If you're interested in that one, the exclusive Prestige plan. And these are the ones where you can withdraw every week. You put your request in on Thursday and they process it on Friday. All right, so those are the plans, and you can play around with this calculator to see what the projected payout would be for you. They even have a little video here to show you how to get started. No KYC is required. They're offering a 10% bonus on your first deposit. All right, guys, so go check it out. Make sure you're using risk capital only because we're dealing with crypto. Now, this is a passive reward platform, but if you decide you want to share it with others, they will offer you a referral reward. Register using a referral link and get 2.5% bonus on your first investment. All right, guys, so you can check that out as well. All right, so we are in here, and I'm not going to do a withdrawal today. We'll do one next week. I'm just going to just roll it over and whatnot. Let's go to the Telegram group here. They have, and I love how they post this, just to remind you, ensure to submit your withdrawal requests for week 65. Shout out to them for 65 weeks in the game. You're going to need to request your withdrawal today by 23:59 UTC time. Okay, this military time, almost midnight, before midnight UTC time, in order to have them process your withdrawal tomorrow on Friday. While there is no maximum cap on the number of requests you can make, we advise you to consolidate your withdrawals into a single request. Why is that? Because this allows you to avoid excessive payment of charges, since each withdrawal request is subject to a minimum of $5 fee or 5% per request, whichever is higher. Multiple requests might significantly reduce your earnings. Okay, so there's a $5 fee or a 5% fee, whichever is higher. All right, guys. So again, all withdrawals are only processed in USDT BEP20. So kindly ensure you have the right wallet address, before placing the withdrawal request. All withdrawal requests received beyond the cutoff time will be processed the following Friday. All right, so if you submit your request after the time that they specified, it'll be the next Friday that you will get your withdrawal. In case you're facing any technical issues with placing your withdrawal request, please try to clear your browser, cache, and try again. Otherwise, you're kindly requested to reach out to our support on Telegram or email. All right, guys, that's BrunoEx. All right, so we've got 1340 there. I'm not going to withdraw. We're just going to roll it over. Here's my plan. It ends on January 27th. Get your capital back. All right, guys. So it definitely works, and I've made several withdrawals with the platform. No issues, no drama. All right. So let's see here. Let's see if we can check this out. It's moving a little bit slow. Hang on a second. Let's see. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4. We've had 4 withdrawals on the platform. Alright, guys. So if you're interested in checking out BrunoEx, go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Get registered. Check out the plans. Decide whether you want a monthly plan or you want to be able to withdraw every week. And just make sure you're using risk capital. Alright, guys, before parking your crypto in the platform. So go check it out. Join the Telegram group. Come up here, check out the FAQ. Read over the website. They even, in the Telegram group, they're very active. The owner would answer all your questions if you have any. Alright, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.